Does he come bearing good news for gold bugs out there? Greg McCoach of the Mining Speculator is with us now on the sidelines of the Metals Investor Forum. Greg, it's been too long. Welcome back to the show.
Yeah, always a pleasure to be here.
Now you're smiling.
Yeah.
Which I haven't seen too many smiles at the past conferences I've been to. So how do you feel about this gold market here?
Yeah, it's been a rough go for all of us. You know, we've been looking at our quarterly statements, monthly statements, from our portfolios, and it's not good news in the last several years in particular. But things are getting better, and I think we have some room for optimism. And I think it's important to start looking at this because markets always change. They turn. We've been in a terrible bad market, but I feel like it's going to be the ensuing bull market will be equal or better.
Right.
Right.
But Greg, the past 7 years, gold hasn't really rallied more than $100. That's part of the problem, right? So is it just a matter of getting a real rally going here?
Yes and no. What I'm saying about that, yes, we need a higher metal price. Currently the gold price is actually doing fine for a lot of the gold producers. They're making money. The higher grade stories, they're making money hand over fist.
Like 1300 is not a bad place to be, right?
It's not a bad place to be. But in silver, they're getting slaughtered. There's a lot of supply destruction. It's distressing. Companies are really on the edge, and it's been really hard.
Right.
So as an investor, the mining shares had this little uptick in 2016 that got us, excited that we thought we were going to get going again, only to be disappointed again. Here we are, drowning in our sorrows, just going through the downturn again. But I'm saying to people that now's the time to really look at being bold and taking courage that things are going to change. Like Rick always says, bull markets follow bear markets and vice versa. Well, the bubble markets that I call them, of the Dow stocks and the cryptos and the the pot stocks, I think people should be taking profits from them and buying undervalued assets like mining shares and precious metals. So when's the turn going to come? Look, I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody has a crystal ball. What I'm saying is that I think we're inching closer, right? Will it happen this year? Probably not.
So would you be putting this money in the undervalued silver players now more so than the gold ones?
No, right now I'm focused. I think where we make money this year is in the exploration plays, the quality exploration plays that have tight share structures, that have money to drill, are going to get aggressive with drilling a good project in a good jurisdiction. Let's take what happened last year. We had success last year with the GT Gold, Metallus, Garibaldi, New Range Gold in Nevada, Golden Predator. All these companies had good discoveries that ran up significantly in share price. One of the few situations where people actually made money. They've all pulled back. You can buy them for a third of what they were at their peak last year. So that's a good opportunity for me.
So are those some of your personal picks?
Yeah. So I think these are for making money this year, right? Instead of a producer or a development play that probably needs the higher metal prices to go, these exploration stocks are in play for this summer, meaning that you buy them now, and by the time August comes around, they're going to ramp up, you take profits.
So I'm going to ask you, narrow it down to top 3 for you.
Oh, for this summer?
Yeah, it's like choosing amongst your favorite children, right? But
top 3. Well, I'll just tell you, I was on a panel here. I invited, one of the companies I invited was Great Bear Resources. I'm a buyer. I'm buying more shares. I bought a block. I'm buying more. Trading around 50 cents Canadian. Really exciting drill play. Up at Red Lake, great jurisdiction, tight share structure, quality management, all the things, all my boxes are checked. If they make a discovery, this could be a multi-dollar stock, right?
2 more picks.
2 more picks, all right.
Or 1 more pick.
Yeah, well, I like Golden Predator. Golden Predator was already over $2.20 back at 65, 69 cents. To me, that's a strong buy because...
Are they takeover targets for you?
They're not there yet, but they're quickly adding ounces with a very aggressive drill program. I think they did close to 50,000 meters of drilling last year. They're going to do another program like that. They're probably going to become, go well over 1 million ounces on their way to 2 million. So at 65 cents, that's a no-brainer for me.
So you're going shopping.
I'm going shopping.
Greg McCoach, thanks so much for joining us.
Always a pleasure.
And thanks for watching. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com. It's just the beginning. We have much more. Thanks, Greg.
Thanks, Amy.
Awesome.